I think the highlight of the HPI ESMT workshop for me was really that it was very hands-on. Within 3 days, you actually walk through the entire design process yourself and have done it once, which is very different, obviously, than having read about it or knowing what it is on a theoretical level. I think what was particularly unique with having this as a combination of HPI and ESMT was to take the design thinking methodology and putting it into the corporate structure, which I think is where the ESMT particularly came in. I have a lot of clients that use design thinking, but actually I never have applied it myself. So this was a great opportunity, and the fact that it was so short and compact was really great. So now I not only understand it, which I did before, but I actually did the design thinking process. And when clients approach me or that I'm working with, which are using design thinking as a methodology, it's very helpful to have done it myself. So I would definitely recommend this program to higher level management that would like to use the design thinking methodology, not to then be the one actually doing it, but understanding the process, having done it once, and then being able to implement it in the organization with the support of an institution like the ESMT or the HPI. I think I would describe the experience with the ESMT as being very personal. The staff being extremely supportive, and you feel like you're being very well taken care of.